Blessings, my people. Big up on yourself, man. Don't know the thing. Don't know what's the new link there, and people giving thanks to life as usual. Happy Thanksgiving to each and everyone out there. Don't know the thing. You know what I mean? Well, people, you want to go on now. It's a thing I want to come talk about right now, people, because this is a thing that's been going on big in Jamaica right now and several other Caribbean countries out there right now, people. And it's where we see many young girls nowadays has gone missing. You understand? And people been wondering and say what's been going on. And most of them time of them girl and missing people is just one phone call or one thing them say online, and it's because of work. You know what I mean? Because times being, many people there and them see some app pop up some things on them phone, so this job off and them thing there. And for tell these people, a lot of times them do fall for these things and they are tricksters and liars. You know what I mean? And it's the human trafficking thing going on. It's a big thing right now. So many times you will see people gone missing and you will wonder where them there. Yesterday when they call for an interview and them something there, and then get caught up on them something there. People, you don't know. Your loved ones in some far place out there I do some things, you understand, because man have them up, you know what I mean, and trick them. You get me? So out there now people who want all Jamaicans to know and learn this. You understand? This one not look work or not deal in nothing. You know what you do online. Be careful. You understand? Be careful of them phone call you want get. You get me? Because times being you using email for do certain things and these hackers and these people try and then butt in and find them with your off for mess up thing. You understand? And you can't, you have to be careful. And several of them cases and you link I say where much people right now. You get me? I say missing young girl, them can't find them, they don't know where them there. You get me? It's a big thing I go on right now, people. The human trafficking thing. And me see even a thing we publish out today where a lady I warn the Jamaican them and I say, yo, listen, and be careful of how now look job online. Be careful of them something there. You understand? And them I put out some whole heap of procedures, how them to deal with them thing. You get me as a people because, yo, it no nice, you know? You know, so some nice little girl we even grown in them church, and just because of poverty and them thing and them want a job, them see this little promotion thing and them feel good. Them here say, yo, sweet enough, say, we're going to come a foreign. It's going to be paradise. You don't got to pay rent. You understand? And when them reach their people, it's totally a different thing. You get me? I say, the work when they tell them, so them do is a different type of work. You know what I mean? It's the sex trade thing that's been going on. It's a big thing. It has gone all over the Caribbean countries, them. You get me? I mean, also people in all different nations in the Caribbean country have been going, I see these things happening. And they are wondering. At many times when a loved one are dead, them out there see them when you're missing for 2, 3, 4 years, but what? When them have them people, they can't make phone call, they can't contact nobody, them lock them off from social media. You get what me I say? These people, they control them, drug them out everything too. And maybe further on done, when them know so they be them finish out and done out and something, them get rid of them people because them don't want them live now to come tell what go on and what happen, you know. You understand? Because them know if them do, make them go out there, things are go bust to light and come to light. Zin? Some of people in Jamaica and all Caribbean countries, in the world too. Get me I say, be careful on the job when I look online. Make sure say it's an eligible company on the check before. You get me I say, don't follow these tricksters. Don't follow them. A lot of times them pop up something in people about this job and this bag of life insurance, something. Yo, people no fall for them. They say the people them have so much ways nowadays to conquer poor people and conquer people, young people out of society, and that's what they using now, technology. Zin, before many cases, they did have some people where them grow on and them take people in a car and drive. They know a different thing. Them find these methods. You remember the last time when the people them that they maybe they get the call. You understand? All the girlfriend we up in a St. Mary they get the call, so they have big jobs, something if you go interview, if you go up on a mobile. And up to today date, nobody hears from them. Up to today date, nobody knows the whereabouts. See? And you may be surprised to leave one night and then they say, yo, the girl was in Brazil and only for something. But nobody knows. You understand? That's why New Link I say, you really have to be careful out there. When you look job, be careful. Be careful of them look over. Yo, honestly, sometimes it better if you know there close to even the hotel or this one want to go look work, you go there and drop on the resume at the hotel itself. Zine? You know what I mean? Because when the hotel call, we know what the hotel number is and they know the ear code and everything. No for certain chicks, when they don't want to work a foreign, when they go to the agencies, don't